A man is charged in Washington County, Virginia, after police say he shot his neighbor's dog. Good evening, I'm Ann Carter.
And I'm Steve Hawkins. Authorities say the man's story didn't quite add up. So Saltville resident Paul Harold is charged with malicious wounding several weeks after the investigation was launched.
News 5's Velda Lynn spoke with the dog's owner today about what losing the pet has meant to her.
A tree standing alone in the field is now growing in the same place in which this purebred female, Akita, used to play. She went by the name of Katana. She died 3 weeks ago after being shot.
Katana was just a really great dog. I mean, she was a good dog.
Tracy Swan owns several other dogs, and on her land, her pets are treated like members of the family. She describes how she felt when she first heard the news.
I pretty much lost it. I was pretty much a basket case and, was physically and emotionally sick for a good 2 weeks.
Police say Katana was killed by Paul Harold, who lives right next door. Harold claims self-defense, saying that the dog had gotten loose and was getting ready to attack his wife.
He indicated that he shot and killed the dog on his property. After some investigation, evidence suggests that the dog had actually been shot on Mrs. Swan's property.
For these folks, Katana wasn't just a member of the family. She was also a very successful show dog. In 2009, she was the #1 ranked Akita in the entire country.
Katana's championship ribbons are right here.
Those are the ones that she won.
That she actually won when she got her championship.
Swan says her new goal is to join the movement to change laws for harsher penalties on people who strike out against animals.
Dogs are part of our family, and it was almost like she was my child.
In Washington County, Virginia, Velda Lynn, News 5.